Hey, welcome back to Good Old RVing. This is step 2 of the bolt-on cargo box adapter for the rear bumper of the RV. Alright, part 1 was installing the bolt-on receiver, and this being part 2, we've installed the support brackets for the bumper. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay, now I can unclamp it. I don't know why you just can't drill the primers right there. I think I will. Okay, I'm using multi-purpose PB blaster right here. And so that's going to be my lubricating oil for the drill bit. So according to the instructions, you're only supposed to mark the holes with the bigger drill bit, not drill them out, just mark them. So okay, so that's me marking them. Okay. This off, wipe everything down. There we go. It is raindrops. Okay, there's that one. That one. That one. Okay, let's see what we got. So that's how it looks from the side view. Just like that. Nice and tight.
Okay.
All right, so thanks for joining. I hope you got something out of these bolt-on brackets, and stay tuned for the next one, for part 3, when I hook up the electrical, because the cargo box I'm adding has lights on it. So that'll be it. I hope you have a great day.